Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you could use your wire, copper wire, to embellish or to decorate your homes with crate of eggs. Now let's get started. If you'd like to learn how I did this amazing decorations. Here is what we need to make this flower. We're going to use this wire. This is copper wire. I bought it in a place where they sell building material, where they sell paints. Okay, the thickness is what I can't really tell, but I think this is up to 80 mm. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to cut them in sizes, or in sizes. So I'm going to take a measurement of what I'm going to cut. I'm going to take 30 inches, or you could use any measurement you want. Okay, it's not compulsory. So I'm going to mix them up. Some will be longer, some will be shorter. So the least of it will be 30. So the least of it will be 30, while the highest of it will be 35. Okay, so I'll cut out my 30 like so. Then I'll cut all of them out like this. So I will just use this one to take the measurement, increase it a little bit, just like that, till I cut out everything. Here they I finished cutting them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, this is a mobi stick, my mobi stick that got broken. So like I always say, nothing is wasted. I'm going to take them maybe 2 or 3. You can take any amount you want. So, and twist it round this. Okay, I will leave a reasonable length like so. Just hold it right here, then try to turn it. Okay, you see that the stick is getting finished. You push it off so that you can twist the other one. So here's it. Let's twist it down part a little bit. Okay, here's what I have. So I'll remove my stick from it right now. So they're going to be like this. This is how I want things to be. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead right now and cut all of them like that. Here are they. I'm done with them. So this is what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead now and add this embellishment to them. You can see this. How did I get this? I'm going to use this. I hope we all know this crate of egg. Okay, this is a crate of an egg. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. I need each of these now. That's what I'm going to need. So how do you cut it? If you are not very careful, it will just start tearing. So you get a knife like this and use to cut like so. Once I have it like this, I'm going to go ahead and cut them out with my scissors. This is how we want them. Here are they. I finished cutting them. So I'm going to place them like this. I'll get my candle glue, drop some glue, push it in and add the other one. So I'm going to pick one of them, push it in first before adding my glue. Okay, just a little, just like this. I can place it to where I want it to stay, either here or here. I'm going to go ahead and add my glue. Hold it right there for it to stick. Then take the next one. Repeat the same. I'm going to leave this one at the tip here. So I'm not going to push it in. So add your glue again as well. Leave it right there to stick. So I'm going to repeat the same on all others. Yeah, I'm done with them. So I'm going to go ahead now and spray them. I'm going to spray them to gold color. So you could use any color of spray you want. So I'll be right back. I went a step ahead to assemble them and also add some beads at the tip of it, as you can see. Is this not lovely? Wow, are they not lovely? See the flower vase. Who will believe that this was made out of cardboard? And see the wires. See my egg, crate of egg petals. Will I say petals or roses? This is nice. If you like this video, kindly give us a big thumbs up. Now begin to hit the subscribe button if you have not done that yet. Wow.